So guys, I thought I'd pop in here real quick and drop some nuggets on how I travel on the low with Spirit Airlines. People talk about Spirit being so cheap, they nickel and dime you. Let me tell you something. For the price of these flights, I don't care if I have to pay for a bottle of water. It doesn't matter. It's getting you from point A to point B, and 9 times out of 10, Spirit is gonna get me there earlier than I anticipate. So I really trust Spirit over any other airline at this point to get me where I need to be on time. Certain airports, they have people who will look at your boarding pass and observe your bags before you even get to go through security. That's true at the Fort Lauderdale airport, I'm not gonna lie. So just be prepared. You won't have any issues with Spirit as long as you follow the rules. This particular bag right here, y'all see this? It's like a flight attendant bag. All right, so this will hold about 4 days worth of clothes, plus my night clothes, my makeup, my toiletry items, and 2 to 3 pairs of shoes. Yes, believe it, this bag is the bomb. I got this bag from Walmart, but you can probably find it online. Another bag that I travel with on Spirit, this little bag right here. You're gonna get about 2 nights worth out of it just because the bag is slim. 2 nights. If you're going away for a weekend, perfect bag. That satchel can get kind of heavy, weighed down, especially when you put toiletry items and shoes inside of it. So a backpack where you have more support, even out the weight of the bag. This will hold about 3 days worth of clothes for Spirit. And I put 2 washcloths and a sheet. It's like a little cocoon that I sleep in. Listen, don't sleep on Spirit. You could be saving lots of money.
Okay, this is my flight on time.
I carry my little measuring tape with me. I am not to be played with. And I'll be the first one to pull it out and do the measurements on them. Okay? If you want to be extra short, we're going to go here. Right here. That's really 8. And we're going to go from the tallest point down here. That is 12. We want to include the wheel. It's 13. Then if we're going across the back here, like I said, this is 14. Y'all don't sleep. This bag is everything, okay? If you're going to check a bag with Spirit, remember the weight of your bag is only 40 pounds, not 50. And I have this little hand scale right here that I'll use, and I will pull it out and make sure I measure my bag or put it on a scale before you go to the airport to avoid that embarrassment of having to open up your bag at the ticket counter and pull stuff out. You holding up the line. Let me tell you ways you can save. Now, did you know that you pay a processing fee every time you purchase a ticket online with Spirit Airlines? But if you go to the airport, they have a dedicated line just for people who are trying to purchase tickets. You can save upwards of $40 off of each ticket. Trust me. If you have another flight you're flying out on and you have extra time, take that time to go to the ticket counter to purchase tickets for your up and coming trip. Now do your research. Go online, see what the rates are online, so you can ensure that the rate that you're getting at the airport is actually a better rate. Like 90% of the time it is. And look at it this way. The money that you save by getting your ticket at the counter can go towards your checked bag. So it kind of balances itself out. So you go ahead and you join that $69 club. It's going to save you a percentage on your bags. If you qualify for that Spirit credit card, you get points just for signing up. And then you get points if you use the card within a certain amount of time for a certain dollar amount to qualify for the other $60,000. There are perks that come with that. Zone 2 boarding. Discounts on your in-flight purchases. Anything that you purchase in flight, you get a kickback. You get a percentage of that back as like a credit, and it goes on your free Spirit card as a reward. When people say, oh, I pay allegiance to this certain airline because I get 2 free bags. Okay, but what's their on-time rate? How many flights do they offer that are non-stop where you want to go? How many times have your plans been derailed because of a connection that didn't go through on time? Or you had to be diverted to an airport totally out of the way when you could have just taken a direct flight on Spirit on the low and just paid the difference for the bag. Oh my gosh. Time is money. So if I'm spending hours in the airport waiting on a connection flight, you know, I can't get that time back. I can't get to where I want to go to make the memories if I'm sitting in the airport waiting on a flight, a connection that's delayed. Why? Because I wanted to get 2 free bags. You could have been on Spirit on a direct flight there, save yourself some time, and be there making those memories instead of sitting in the airport for hours. Just food for thought, y'all. I'm not going to beat y'all over the head with this. Be smarter about this thing. That's all I got. Thank you guys for stopping in. Check out my next video.